educate, conserve, survive. Humanly, we are also nature. This quote from the president of the Legion of Goodwill, LBV, José de Paiva Neto, reflects the feeling that is present in the work undertaken by the organization for more than 6 decades. Through education, social promotion, and awareness-raising campaigns, the LBV forms citizens engaged in building a more solidary and sustainable society. After all, investing in human beings so they invest in life is our main goal.
Reciclar e também assim ajudar a natureza, não cortar árvores. Bom assim que você usa esse material que nem fazer mesa de pneu, brinquedo. Muito bom assim você brincar quando uma pessoa não tem quase nada, o brinquedo de reciclagem é bem melhor.
Que a gente aprende a respeitar o meio ambiente.
Over the last 3 decades, the organization has undertaken various social mobilization activities, taking its campaign, "The Destruction of Nature is the Extinction of the Human Race," to the population. Demonstrations and forums directed at children and young people have marked this journey, which had as one of its high points the LBV's active participation in the 1992 Rio Earth Summit. With its slogan, "Human beings are animals too. Protect the Brazilian children," the initiative won a prize at the International Advertising Festival in Cannes, France.
A legião da boa vontade espera que os filhotes de baleia, de tamanduá-bandeira e de mico-leão-dourado não sejam os únicos que você considere ameaçados. Gente também é bicho. Preserve a criança brasileira.
Porque a natureza faz bem pra gente e a árvore dá o ar pra gente respirar.
E a gente tem que preservar a natureza, sem ela a gente não existiria.
Se a gente cuidar da natureza, a gente vai ter um futuro melhor.
This is the way the Legion of Goodwill, LBV, has always operated. In addition to promote, support, and participate in democratic forums such as the spaces opened by the United Nations, it works for popular consciousness in its schools, community centers, homes, and in its campaigns and programs in the means of communication. It operates in over 70 cities in Brazil, as well as in Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, Bolivia, the United States, and Portugal. March 2012, South America, the 9th Solidary Society Network Multi-Stakeholder Forum, 6th Innovation Fair, debated about green economy, poverty reduction, and the promotion of decent jobs and work, all key themes of Rio Plus 20 and the UN's agenda. We would like to thank all those who have made it possible for the organization to reach the annual record mark of more than 9.5 million services and benefits provided. This is an action of global proportions with a great impact on transforming thousands of lives, awakening in the less privileged communities the leaders of tomorrow, new generations that are committed to sustainability. It is the talent of well-educated and spiritualized people that transforms poverty into wealth. The wealth of a country lies first in the solidary heart and in the enlightened conscience of its people. Paiva Neto.